Pastor Temidayo Adeojo, you would never know peace. Pastor Temidayo Adeojo, the youth pastor of Glorious Assembly, near Paja, you will find peace in this life. You will never find peace. You will not know peace until you enter your grave. This video is not for you. This video is for your supposed fiancé. Sister Nifemi Oni, the one that is in the UK for her masters. I don't have your social handle. I would have sent you this video. I don't have your number. I don't have your contact. But I pray that somebody who knows you, or know somebody who knows you, will find this video and send it to you. Loco. Everybody for conceal in Nigeria. Loco. My dear, you don't have your call in Nigeria. I joined your church about 7 months ago. I said I wanted to start fresh. I joined your church. Okay, no problem. On a particular day, he was the one who preached. It was Youth Sunday, he preached. And of course, me as I am, I'm very inquisitive. Some of the things he talked about was not sitting well with some of us. And started arguing. Church was over, time, we ran out of time, and then we had to continue the conversation after service. Now that was where we exchanged numbers. More like we now started having this controversy, this argument over the phone. Other things led to another, and before I knew it, in the space of 2-3 months, I had to catch a feeling satisfied. Barawa daddy. Okay. More for. Because your brother this guy, he's sweet. When I mean he's not only sweet with the mouth, he's sweet and very intentional. This guy is as intentional as we have different days for different dates, especially on Wednesdays. Like today. Today is our ice cream date. After fellowship, we go for ice cream dates. Except on days that I'm flowing, it's my menstrual cycle time, I will not go for ice cream dates. Anyway, we finished fellowship as usual, and I say, let us go for ice cream dates. And he goes, I thought your flow started yesterday, which is part of the things that I loved about it, because he pays attention to details. Like in the space of how many months, but boy, it's more. He knows the dates that I'm going to menstruate. Anyway, he asked me, and I said, it was supposed to have come since yesterday or Tuesday. And I said, and then he goes, I hope it's not what I'm thinking. And I don't know why, but I just played along with it. Well, it's the first time I'm missing it like this for days. If I didn't see it, is throughout Tuesday, and this is Wednesday night again, and I've not seen it. I pay a lot to Badura one, and then this one flared up. Share condo uni. In 4 months. We have met just once, and he's still asking me, share condo uni. Are you mad? Go and ask your mother now. Then we started exchanging words, and this one was like, so there's a Nifemi somewhere. That's when I started doing my investigation. I started calling, I started making investigations, started finding out, started asking questions, and I learned that this same is Nifemi. They are about to marry people, and she's in the abroad for her masters. Over me past time. Meanwhile, why I'm sending you these videos, because I'm not the only one. I can bet that I'm not the only one, because sometimes when we are together, especially Sister Debbie will call, and he will say, it's not a good time to talk to Sister Debbie, can I call you later? And when I ask, he say she's calling for counseling. Everybody is calling, and they're calling you for counseling. And whenever I'm around, you call them back, I'm not in the position, I'm not in the what I'm trying to tell you is that if loco in Nigeria, in Nigeria, because I am very sure that a mini Kolumbashi. Thank God I even did that. Okay, what if the Bible says, what do you know? Temibami, are the single mother? Only Femi Oni. Loco leko. You have no oko. In naturally, masters or bag, bag more than masters. Better bag, do more than bagging your masters. Better bag a man that is fit for you, because this one, Temidayo, Adeojo, the one that is the youth pastor for Glorious Assembly, Paja. He lives around one estate, Niwaju Bakery, talking she hot bread. That is the one I'm talking about. So I've come to warn you, sister to sister. My dear, yara any etiko, yara any brain. This one is a gunner. This one is a gunner. Anything on that skirt, I'm sure about that. My sister, I say sister to sister, let me not gatekeep. Oh, near anybody in Nigeria, forget about him. Again, oh, Nini Simio, I know you are going to find this video. To react to see. I will come and open your yash here on social media. Oh, Nini Simi, you will never know peace. I promise you will not know peace. You find peace, you will not know peace. Oh, they need the bujo kwayo. Stupid thing. Emile fi pass the time. Araga bugu egi.